Many Hmong and American pilots owe their lives to the bravery of ground forces willing to conduct dangerous search and rescue missions for downed aircraft. Whether fighting with aircrew from above or basic farming tools from the ground, there is no question of the mission among people who are willing to go to defend their homeland and way of life. Legends are seldom silenced, and despite the United States' best effort to keep this war quiet, stories of the aviators in this conflict crept back to the United States. We heard of Lee Lu, who flew so low attacking enemy troops that the maintainers often know the blood splatters on the aircraft's props. And we heard of Hmong Chang, known as Scar, who took controls from the back seat and successfully landed an aircraft that was the Raven pilot was wounded and no longer able to fly the aircraft. Like Lee Lu and Scar, all Hmong aviators represented something greater. They became a symbol of the Hmong people's resolve to live free, and they were a source of inspiration for both the Lao people and the American servicemen. These men took a chance and flew in a distant land they had never before seen for a people they had only met upon arrival on behalf of a country that could not overtly acknowledge their services, but for the cause that unites us all to this day. Their stories also filtered out over time. Some of you might have known John Mansour, who flew so low to avoid 37-millimeter fire that he was hit by a single bullet from a soldier's pistol and then landed the airplane half-flying. Or Chuck Engel, who returned to fight while still on crutches from an earlier crash. Courage was evident in both cultures of the alliance. The values you fought to defend transcend any differences that may have existed when you showed up at Udon. You buried the fallen. Pilots disarmed at the gate. We remember our fallen ravens every time a signal, mournful bugle plays taps. In both countries, we mourn the loss of our fallen. Yet in both cultures, we honor their sacrifices today by standing for the causes these men gave their lives to, enjoying the fullness of